Hi guys, your friend Nirajan is here. So today, grand finale of Agentforce League 360 got completed, and here the major update from that event. We'll see what are the new things that are coming after this grand finale event for the Agentforce 360 League. So we'll talk about what are the surprises they have planned for us, and how you suppose if you are eligible for some goodies or some rewards, how you can get those rewards from the event app, and how you can claim those rewards, also how you can download your certificates of your completion if you have completed all the 6 challenges. So we'll move to the next. So there is a surprise for the people, for the trailblazers who have completed all the 6 modules or 6 challenges in the following Agentforce 360 leagues. So let's see what is the surprise. So yeah, so the surprise is Agentforce 360 Hackathon is coming in few months or so. They're planning for this one. So everyone who have completed all the 6 challenges in Agentforce 360 leagues 2026 are invited to participate and use their skills what they have learned from the Agentforce 360 leagues. So it may be the LWC, it may be the Slack, it may be the Vives, and it may be the data clouds, and it may be the agent builder and the agent scripts. So you build the solution and get a chance to win a lot of rewards, goodies, and lot of things. So stay tuned, they will roll out the updates for this hackathon soon in your mailbox. So be ready and try to brush up these challenges and all. We'll move to the next. So how to claim the prize and certifications. I will show you how we can claim these rewards, what we are eligible for. Okay, so let's move. So yeah, this is the league rank. This is the final league rank, I guess. 110, and here on the top of the page you are shown that congratulations, you have completed all these challenges for the Agentforce 360 leagues, and I have finished all these challenges. And from here you can just click on this claim rewards button. It will take you the rewards page, and it will show what are the rewards you are eligible for. So you are eligible for the certifications, and I'm eligible for the certifications and the backpack because I have completed all the 6 challenges. And the person from the leaderboards, you can see team Astro, those people who are from team Astro got they will get receive a medal, a special medal for achievers. And those from the top 4 teams, top 3 person from top 3 or 2 persons from all those 4 teams, these are the top 10 persons who got they will receive some special goodies and all. And here is our team P and all. So this is the things of the final standing of this league. And as we see the reward page, how to claim this reward, you can download your certificates. It will go and download. And to get the claim the backpack, you just have to sign the declaration form. You give your information, sign up, and then it will open one tab. You have to copy the code and paste the code and then search. Then it will show you what rewards you are eligible for, and then just retrieve it, address and phone number, so that they will ship that rewards to you. These are the updates from the Agentforce leagues, and yeah, that is it from the Agentforce 360 league grand finale updates. So congratulations to the winners who won the MacBook Air and the noise earbuds and all. And thank you for watching my video. Share with your friends and tell them to subscribe my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.